Good morning YouTubers, welcome to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John and we're just doing this little intro as a teaser. We have did a lot of research on what's inside these boxes, and what's inside these boxes are within the top 10 of what they are. If you want to save yourself over £1,000 on each of these two boxes, you know, that could be £2 grand, it could be more, depending on how many you want. Tune into our next video and see what's inside. Remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, so if you want to save yourself some pennies, well, more than pennies, £1,000 at least, tune into our next upload. Thanks for listening. Hope this has whetted your appetite. Catch you later on. Bye for now.